These are all the 17 installations in ilightSingapore 2024 from May 31st to June 23rd.
Promenade Train Station.
Number 1. Modern Guru and the Path to Artificial Happiness from Australia. This is at Millenia Walk Mall. Point your camera lens at the guru, and you shall get a message from its mouth.
Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life.
Esplanade Train Station.
Number 2. Lumi from United Kingdom. This is at South Beach.
Number 3. The Lantern from Singapore, also at South Beach.
Tanjong Pagar Train Station.
Number 4. BottleBlooms from Singapore. This is at Tanjong Pagar.
Number 5. Hidden Garden from Hungary. This is at Tanjong Pagar.
Number 6. Kickit Team Tennis from Hungary. This is at Tanjong Pagar.
Bayfront Train Station.
Number 7. Outside Marina Bay Sands, there is Dandelion from Australia.
Number 8. Kinetic Perspective from Spain at Marina Bay.
Festive market is happening only on weekends at Marina Bay.
Number 9. Pure Ring from China at Marina Bay.
Gastro Beats is held in conjunction with ilightSingapore.
Number 10. Spin Me a Yarn from United Kingdom.
Number 11. Arc Zero Nimbus from Australia. This is at Marina Bay.
This reminds me of Dr. Strange's Sling ring portal from Marvel's movies.
Number 12. Bob the Nice World from Thailand.
Number 13. Liminal Minimal from Singapore. Enjoy your Barbie and box moment.
Number 14. Fish are jumping from Netherlands.
Number 15. Iwagumi Airscape from Australia.
Number 16. Alchemy of Atmospheres from Slovenia.
And finally, number 17. Fountain of Happiness from Thailand. This is near Fullerton Hotel. The light exhibits start at 7:30 p.m.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.